Today, I'm going to show you how to spice up your instant ramen noodles with a can of tuna. Together, oh boy, you're missing out if you've never tried it this way. Yup, it almost tastes like you slaved over the stove all day making this seafood tasting spicy noodle soup, but you can make this in minutes at home and enjoy it. Now, make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to show you how I enjoy this with some special beverage as well. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 참치 김치 라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. Today we're going to use one of my favorite old school Korean instant ramens called NeoGuRi. Spicy seafood base with noodles that are slightly thicker than your normal instant ramen noodles. But if you don't have NeoGuRi, you could certainly use Shin Ramen, which is one of my favorites too. So we need about a can of canned tuna. This is about 5 ounces. Do not use the liquid or the excess oil that comes with it. And using your spoon, just gently break it up, like so. Set your heat to high. Put your pot over it and let it preheat for about a good minute. Here I have 1 scallion, finely minced, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of Korean gochugaru, that's Korean red pepper flakes, coarse ground. And to our pot, we're gonna add less than 1 tablespoon of oil. With your heat remaining at high, we're gonna add our canned tuna. Add the rest of our ingredients. And then we're just gonna quickly stir this. And to this, we're just gonna add a little bit of fresh ginger, just about that much. Goes in here. So this is really fast. So you see a little bit of that burnt mark on the bottom? That's gonna flavor our broth to taste even better. So we're quickly sauteing for less than 30 seconds. Now, this is optional. If you have extra fermented kimchi, then take some and using scissors, chop it up. So it looks like this. So this yields about less than 2 tablespoons of chopped up extra fermented kimchi that we're gonna add. And then to this, we're gonna add hot water. So have some hot water ready. 3 cups. 1, 2. If you like it more salty, then just put 2.5 cups. But I like it a little brothy, so I'm gonna put 3 cups. Like that. And bring it to boil first on high heat. Once the liquid comes to boil, add our soup packets and our noodle. And we're gonna put our lid like halfway, and we're gonna cook this on high heat and come back in about 1.5 minutes. All right, it's been 1.5 minutes, and look at that. This is ready. So I'm gonna turn the heat off and ooh. Okay, we need to quickly transfer this to a serving bowl. And we're gonna garnish with a little bit of green scallions, like that. And just a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, just a tiny bit. Here we go, like that. That's just gonna add a layer of fragrance, oh, delicious nutty fragrance to our tuna kimchi ramen. Ooh, it's getting foggy. Look at that. Ooh. You always have to start with the LaMyun broth before the noodles. I mean, that is a must. Make sure it's good. Make sure you like it. And look at that. I just want to show you with the tuna. I mean, does that look good or what? This does not taste fishy at all. The tuna makes it taste so like nutty. You know how we all love the taste of tuna sandwiches, not because it's fishy, but it has this like nutty taste kind of. This broth really does not taste like instant ramen broth at all. And we go for the noodles. Ooh, look at that, look at that. And I always put a little bit in a bowl because it's really hot. So you want to kind of cool it down. And then I toss it to air it out because the longer the noodle sits in the broth, it gets soggy. So this is how you need to kind of air it out and eat it quickly and then get some of our delicious, look at that. Ooh. You put it in here. I'm gulping in my mouth. You go for it in here. The noodles. These are extra fat noodles that are so good. Lip smacking good. And yes, as I said before in my other videos, it is absolutely okay to slurp your noodles in Korean cuisine culture. Just don't be obnoxious about it and slurp people around you and make it so loud, okay? And this, you slurp, drink it. That's how you have it. Get a little bit of the broth, the tuna, the kimchi, and the noodles all at once. Let me show you again. Do I need to say anything else? Oh my God, this is so good. I just want you to imagine this in your mouth. Yeah, you know it's gonna be good. And these noodles, you see that? They're thicker than your normal instant ramen noodles. Yeah, if you've never tried NeoGuRi instant ramen, you have to try it. And you always wanna just like wash it down, you know, with some kimchi, you know?
Soju.
Wait,
Soju.
did you hear that?
Soju.
Oh my God, the soju gods are calling me. When you have spicy Korean broth, whether it's in stews or noodles or soups, such a good combination to like have some soju with it. And then for those of you who were like, oh, flavored soju, I don't know. Soju is not meant to be flavored in my opinion. That's what my grandma would say. She'd be like, why do you want to drink flavored soju? For what? 건배, cheers. 여러분 참 행복합니다. 참 행복합니다. You know, you get a little bit of the broth again. And then you take another. Ooh, so good. I would eat this on a Friday night in front of the TV and tell the rest of my family to please leave me alone because I'm having a party by myself, which I love. So do it at home and enjoy it. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon, because doing so does wonders for my channel. So I would really appreciate your support and thank you in advance. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.